Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the driver. Right inside this is search key, click to and type enter your motherboard model number TSX50 AI top, then hit enter. Then click to product and title of this motherboard, click on. Then click to support. Then you can see this is driver. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11, any. Okay, so if your operating system is different, so no worry. Select any and you can installations process also same. V LAN WLAN means Wi-Fi. So you can see extract after that Wi-Fi 7. And just open after download. Double click to launch. And yes, now this is installing. After that, close it.